This episode is brought to you by Greenworks Commercial.
All right, you're on. Hey.
Hi, baby.
All right, so introduce where we are right now before we lose transmitters, even though I charge them.
We have a new client that needs cleanup and his yard mowed. It's got a nice little sanctuary tucked away in here.
So we're literally in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's a cute little house here. We're doing a kind of a mini cleanup, right?
Yep.
Getting it to where he just wants it mowed, but I want to just clean up a little bit and get some of the stuff around, so when I'm actually cutting around it, I'm not constantly brushing up against it, right?
Right.
Yeah, that kind of thing. So, and then she's got to help me tell me which ones he wants cut down and when she doesn't, because I will
cut everything.
I will just cut it all. I like it looking clean, so he likes it looking a certain way, so that's how we're gonna do it, right?
Yep.
Like, if you guys have not tuned in before, my wife and I, we run a all-electric commercial landscaping business. The reason why we're not electric is not because I'm some kind of all-electric tree hugger or that kind of thing. We're not. I like the convenience of electric, and I like new innovation stuff. And I literally don't want to go to the gas station every day and have to fill up the gas tank. So I don't want to do that stuff. And I don't want to also do the whole what's it called thing, getting your belt replaced, doing all your fluids replaced, all that kind of stuff. And to be honest, I like the whole battery thing. It's cool, it's clean, it's quiet, and I also have very bad asthma. So with that being said, I can't really be under gas fumes all the time. You want me to string trim first, or what do you want to do?
I would say string trim first.
Yeah, okay. With the string trim, you get to walk with me around too.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Just to make sure. I'll just start it right up here first.
Make this go away. I need a top shelf drink to set me straight and a little bit of honey to make this go away.
Yeah, the reason why Jess has to walk around with me, she walked around with the homeowner, and he told her what he wants to keep and what he doesn't want to keep.
That's just how it goes. It's just a scratch, a little water in the tank like a flat. Oh, tired that you changed, just a bad dream, but I gotta wake up, let it go.
So the string trim I'm using here, guys, is the Greenworks Commercial OptimusZ 82 volt. This thing is a tank. I have used this for a year and a half, and I easily have over 200 hours in this thing. And it's the same one that I've been using from day one. This OptimusZ one, man, I tell you, this thing rocks. It goes through everything that I needed to do. It's not at all a pig with batteries. It just goes all day long. Like, for instance, I didn't even have a fresh battery here. I had no problem getting through this whole property. And I think I still had like maybe 70% that I used and maybe 25% left. So this thing here works great. And I was string trimming for over an hour. So this thing works amazing.
What's on the inside? Man, you're gonna feel like you wanna cry.
So I'm string trimming 90% of this property. A lot of it in the front yard doesn't need my mower going over it, and it's a lot of dirt, sand, and rocks, and a little bit of grass. So I'm not gonna waste my blades, go over that, which I don't need to. Dull my blades right out, because you guys know sand and blades do not work. It's like sandpaper, makes them dull.
Filling me up, it's just out of my mind. My confidence in talking to a stranger. She told me to leave, and goddammit, I see her point. It's time to go home. It's time to go.
So here's an example of just tell me what is staying and what is not, and makes it easier for me.
Yeah.
This
Right
stays.
here.
Does this stay, or is this
Yeah, that's a weed.
that's a weed gone? He wants this stay, but I'm not
Yeah.
picking in between that
No,
stuff.
I know. Just do the weed whack straight through here,
Okay. All right.
and then right along the
Was that?
edge. Right along the
I'll just
edge.
go in here a little bit and get
Yeah.
this. Hey, this is like flower bed stuff. I'm just in here. Okay. Yeah, so this backyard is overgrown. The last lawn providers these guys had, he wouldn't even get off his lawnmower. He literally stayed on the lawnmower. I think he got on his trailer, got on his lawnmower, and then right back off his trailer. He stayed on his lawnmower the whole time, didn't weed whack, didn't do anything. And you get a lot of that up here in the Ozarks.
but it is what it is. That's why we got this job, because I'm going around here in the backyard just string trimming this part here, because to be honest, I don't know what's under here. So I won't put my mower in here unless I know what's under here. And you can tell how fast I'm going. I'm just making sure everything is good and that kind of stuff, and there's nothing there that I can run over. And then once I'm done, I run over it with the lawnmower and make sure everything's good. So next time we come back for a normal service job, it's easy. I think this first initial, I guess, cleanup / inspection took maybe an hour and 15 minutes, and then our second visit for just maintenance took 15 minutes. We were in and out in 2 seconds.
You need a face shield. This is where you need the face shield.
Yes. Now, in a couple seconds here, you'll see Jess walking up to try to move that kayak. And we do not move stuff like this. There could be snakes, there could be critters under there. We just don't do it. She knows it, but we leave it up to her. She will clean up the whole place. And I gotta stop her constantly saying, hey, we only do what we're paid for. So the mower that I am using here, guys, is a Greenworks commercial 24 kilowatts, the 60-inch zero turn. Love this thing. Is probably my main go-to for all the stuff we do out here. We do have a stand-up 60-inch now, and we're just getting that ready for the field. We don't have it ready yet. We're putting the grass flap on, which I recommend everybody use. That thing works amazing, 100% American made. Especially out here in the Ozarks, you definitely need it. The other thing that is amazing right now, as you see, I am blowing off these leaf pile here that was stuck in here with the ETO blower. I didn't even have to get off the mower. It's amazing. And it basically cut down, I'd say, about 45 minutes of blowing within like probably 1 minute. Jess is again telling me what to keep, what not to keep. He's very specific about this one area, so it was easier for me, no problem. She told me everything I needed to do, and he took care of that.
No, you can leave that because that's ivy.
Okay. Yeah, see me waving here? I'm coughing and coughing to the point where I can't get any breath. I'm trying to get my breath back, but I know it's useless, and I'm waving her down. I literally have about 3 minutes here before I can't breathe at all. This is not new to me. I'm normal to this. So Jess is running, scrambling through everything to get my inhaler, and she runs over and grabs it, almost trips. And I'm just kind of clenching my hands and try not to freak out a little bit, because I am full-blown asthma attack. Takes me one puff and we are good to go.
Keep it. You want to keep it with you? Yeah, keep it with you.
And 10 minutes later, we are blowing this front yard, getting rid of all the last little bit of remaining sticks, everything that I weed whacked, and cleaning up a little bit. That, I tell you, that ETO blower, guys, it's a game changer. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Bye for now.